First, connect the gas cylinder. Connect the computer and roaster using a USB cable. Open the artisan parameter file we sent you. If your computer can read the temperature of the roaster, the connection is successful. Open the gas cylinder. Open the main gas valve of the roaster. Then press the heating button and slowly rotate the gas regulating valve to successfully ignite the gas. We typically use a pressure of 1- to kappa and preheat the roaster for 30 minutes. We preheat to around 210 C. After 30 minutes preheating period, turn off the heating and allow the machine to cool down to approximately 130 C. When the temperature reaches around 130 C, we put the beans into the hopper. Click heating to restart fire and let the temperature rise. We use 3 kilopascals pressure for roasting. Once the temperature reaches 200 C, turn on the timer and put the beans into the drum. Users can adjust the hot air speed and gas valve according to their own needs. Adjust the gas fire and hot air speed according to the condition of the beans and the roar. Once the beans have reached the desired roasting point and are ready to be removed from the drum, turn on the cooling and mixing first. After roasting, remember to turn off the gas cylinder and the fire. Close the valve. Roasting complete.